Funny weather. We're supposed to be in spring, but you know, every second day it's overcast, it's cloudy, it's raining, wind, cold wind, or simply fog. And we still do get some fog, particularly at night here. It's not really warm. The only consistent thing we've really got here, really, is bird calls. These are normal day-to-day bird calls that you hear right now. They're not alerting on me. You know, I should tell you, the main reason why we look for a bird when we hear a bird is because the predator yowie, hairy man, Bigfoot, Sasquatch, Yeti, whatever you want to call it, still a predator. But the reason why we look for the bird that we can hear calling to us or calling at us is that these predators can mimic bird calls. So you've really got to learn what bird calls that you've got in the area that you live at. You've got to be able to identify those sounds. Because while the predator can mimic a bird, it doesn't quite get it 100% correct. And more often than not, there'll be like a raspy sound to it. You know, predators like to try to imitate everything they hear. I've heard magpies that sound like that they're being strangled. They weren't magpies, they were predators. So it's an important little consideration. And of course it is tracker knowledge also I'm sharing here, freely. Whenever you hear a bird, look for that bird. See if you can find it. Because it may not be a bird. It may just as easily be a predator. Worth thinking about.